Today we're making an easy 4-ingredient dessert. I'm starting with my semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and then I'm bringing in my heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna pour that cream all over the chocolate morsels, covering them in a thin layer. Grab your favorite brownie mix, and you're gonna pour about half of that package on top of the morsels and cream. Spread to the edges. Now I'm adding in some pecans for texture. These are optional. And then I'm going to use the second half of that brownie mix to cover everything and smooth to the edges. Do not mix. Use some butter and a grater to grate this on top, covering the whole surface. You can also use butter pats if you prefer. Now I am going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes. It comes out like this. I'm going to top with a little powdered sugar for decoration. Cut yourself a slice. It's going to be crunchy on top and ooey gooey underneath. Top with a little bit of whipped cream or ice cream. Take a bite and enjoy. These 4-ingredient brownies are so easy and so good. You gotta try it. Today I'm using these Pepperidge Farms puff pastry shells to make a really easy sweet treat with only 3 ingredients. I'm just breaking them apart and putting them on an ungreased baking sheet. Now I'm going to use some powdered sugar and a strainer, and I'm just going to sprinkle that sugar all over them. We're going to bake them at 425 for about 15 minutes because mine were in the fridge. Now I'm just going to push down the centers of each puff pastry. Once they're completely cooled, I'm using my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, and I'm gonna scoop 1 ice cream scoop size dollop into the center of each pastry. The no-bake cheesecake is really delicious and easy to work with, and usually I find it at Walmart. Now I cut the tops off some strawberries and cut them down the center, and I'm placing them just staggered into the cream cheesecake. Use a little bit more powdered sugar to just sift on top for decoration. And now I'm plating these onto my adorable heart plate. Time to enjoy. These puff pastries have only 3 ingredients plus powdered sugar. So easy and so good. You gotta try it. This sweet treat makes a great start to the new year. I'm starting with 4 bananas cut into small pieces and your favorite peanut butter, which I'm just gonna drizzle on top. Now I've got some semi-sweet chocolate. I'm melting about 1.5 cups with 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, just in 30-second increments. Once I've got that melted, we're gonna pour that chocolate right on top of that peanut butter. Make sure you get it all out. Then I'm going to smooth this into a layer on top of everything. Once I've got that layer, I'm going to use a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, but you could use sea salt also. And I'm using small walnut pieces, but you could use peanuts or whatever nuts that you like. Now I'm going to place this into the freezer overnight. You could check on it after a few hours. It comes out like this. Because I started on that parchment paper, it's easy to transfer it onto a cutting board and cut it into your desired size pieces. Check out those beautiful layers underneath. Grab a bite and enjoy. Easy sweet treat, so good. You gotta try it.